If your Microsoft Minesweeper app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Microsoft Minesweeper app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Microsoft Minesweeper app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Minesweeper. Click on the three dots to open the Microsoft Minesweeper app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Microsoft Minesweeper app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Microsoft Minesweeper app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Microsoft Minesweeper is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Microsoft Minesweeper app on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Microsoft Minesweeper app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Microsoft Minesweeper and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Microsoft Minesweeper app again. Search for Microsoft Minesweeper. Click on Microsoft Minesweeper app. Press the Get button to start downloading Microsoft Minesweeper. Wait for Microsoft Minesweeper to be downloaded and installed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.